If you want to start using the paid version of Card, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use section break in Card. So as you can see here, I already have a created button on my container. This will be my route to page 1 and page 2. And I will show you how section break works. So basically, first, I want to label it to page 1 for my button 1. And for my button 2, I will label it as page 2. As you can see, the difference clearly and how it works. Now click the plus button and select the control, and it will show you this section. The purpose of this section is this is like a break for a new page. Like if you want to execute a responsive button like page 1 or page 2, you'll have to put a break between the main page and the page 1 that you were going to link on the button to your main page. Just like this. As you can see, I put the section between the buttons and the content of text like that. And if you want to put another page, you'll have to use a section break like the first section we made, which is we labeled it page 1. Now to use it to work with the button, you'll have to copy the labeled name and then paste it to the URL inputter on the buttons. Like I want to connect the page 1 to my page 1 button. So I'm going to copy the labeled name of my section break. Same goes with the another section if you want to put another page or if you want to put another buttons that will go to the another page. You'll just have to put a section break between the pages. And that's it. That's how to use section break in Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.